This is a quick review of the Corsair AF120 LED triple pack cooling fans. These are supposed to be low noise cooling fans. I have 3 of them installed in my case right now. 1, 2, 3. So let's hear how noisy they are. This is installed. They're in idle temp. My case is open, and let's hear it. So at idle temp, they're not really noisy. You can barely hear them. And these fans right here are super quiet. Noctua fans are separate from that, barely any noise. But the majority of any noise that's been made from this case is from these fans, and it's very light, low noise. So far, no problems with these fans. They mostly run idle or idle speed. Don't really crank up unless I turn the fan curve up. But in everyday use, it's very tolerable. And of course, yeah, you have the white LEDs as a plus.